everyone, I'm Camille. In our previous videos, we've already learned a lot of text effects. Today, I'm going to show you how to create these text shadow animations. It's very simple to make. Just follow the steps in the video one by one, and you'll be able to do it. If you are interested, keep watching. To make a video like this, we only need one background image. All other text and effects can be done in VideoProc Vlogger. Let's open VideoProc Vlogger. If you don't have it yet, click the download link in the description box to download and use it for free. Then we click New Text. Type in the text we need. Here, I'm using trendy as an example. Let's change the font. Don't forget to change the size to 200 and turn the color to green. Scroll down and remove the shadow. Finally, adjust the position of the text. Then click here to take a snapshot image of this frame. Next, change the text color to black. Click here, changing background to white. And take a snapshot image for this frame. Now we have this, an image that shows green text and a black shadow. Then modify the text and continue taking screenshots. We can also change the text color like blue or anything we want. Here, I'll do it quickly. Now we have 6 snapshot images. These 3 are text, and these 3 are shadows. Now let's put them together. First, put the background video on the main track. Then click here to add a new overlay track. Next, put the shadow clip over here. In the inspector panel, choose Fit to the screen by height. Then go down to the blend mode section and select darken. Now put the text clips here. Also choose Fit to the screen by height. Here is a green text. We find a green screen. Chroma out the black color, which we don't want. Then adjust the parameters here to fully reveal the green text. Let's select the shadow clip. Then click on Motion. At the starting position, add a keyframe. Next, add a second keyframe at the 0.4 second mark. Due to the auto snapping feature, you can move it in a very short distance. So click here and change the X coordinates from 960 to 980. And then switch the speed mode to speed down. Finally, add another keyframe at the ending point. And hit apply. Let's play it back and see. Alright, we just animate the shadow. As for moving this text, we simply need to move the shadow to the back first. Then slice the text into several parts and adjust their positions one by one. For the next 2 clips, we use a similar method. But keep in mind, when we use white text, we don't need the green screen feature. Just select Lighten from the Blender Mode section, which is more convenient. Last, click on Effects, find a glitch, and drag it onto the effects track. Then add some suitable piece of music and adjust the text position to the music beat. That's it. The effect is complete and it's pretty easy to make, isn't it? This is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified as soon as we post anything new. You can also go to our homepage to find many easy-to-follow tutorials for various creative effects and editing techniques. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.